This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, for corn, yesterday's USDA report was a mixed bag. The quarterly stocks number was friendly, with the March 1st reserves coming in at 7.953 billion bushels. It was 181 million bushels below the average trade estimate. This suggests that the USDA could be as much as 250 to 300 million bushels light in its feed usage estimate. On the other hand, the projected planted acres number was certainly negative. It was almost 3 million acres above the average trade guess. If the USDA is correct, farmers in the U.S. will plant 97 million acres of corn this spring, and the carryout would be expected to swell. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading a penny and a half lower. The soybean stocks number was 25 million above the average trade estimate, which was slightly bearish, but will likely be offset by higher crush numbers in future reports. The acreage figure came in at 83.5 million acres, which was 1.5 million less than the average trade estimate. In the overnight trade, spot soybean futures are trading down a dime. Wheat plantings were estimated at 44.7 million acres, which was slightly below trade expectations. The March 1st stocks number of 1.412 billion bushels was also seen as slightly supportive. In international news, conditions remain dry across key areas of southern Russia as well as portions of Europe. In the overnight trade, however, we're seeing the market slip, with Chicago 7 cents lower, Kansas City down a nickel, and Minneapolis trading down 4 as I record this. Cotton futures had a little bounce higher yesterday, with the May futures being up 43 points, closing at 51.13. The USDA left projected planting acres unchanged from last year at 13.7 million acres. In the overnight trade, spot futures are trading 85 points lower. Livestock futures had kind of a decent session actually yesterday. We had June live cattle futures closing $3 higher, while May feeder cattle futures ended the day $2 higher. Lean hog futures also made it into positive territory, with June futures closing up 55 cents. Class 3 milk futures, on the other hand, continued to plummet lower, with April futures closing down 37 points to settle at 14.49. And we still have an inverted market. We had the May futures down 41 points as they closed at 12.74. In the overnight trade, spot futures are trading 1 point higher. Cash livestock markets all closed sharply lower yesterday. Choice beef boxes were $7.82 lower to close at $243.15. While selects dropped $9.18 as they settled at $228.96. Pork carcass values were $5.67 lower as they closed at $65.04 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.